Now let me take the privilege to welcome Sri Venugopal C. Govind, Senior Chartered Accountant Varma and Varma and devotee of Ramakrishna Mutt, to deliver the vote of thanks. Welcome, sir.
Hari Om. Namaste Yatirajaya Vivekananda Surye Satchisugaswarupaya Swamini Tapaharini. My humble pranams to revered Swami Suvirananda Ji Maharaj. Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Sri Pinarayi Vijayan, Swami Bhuvanatmananda Ji Maharaj, Sri Mathu S. Nair, Swami Nandatmananda Ji, other senior monks and devotees of the Mutt, teachers and students of all participating institutions, Namaste. We have come to the close of a beautiful inaugural function of a highly inspirational program organized for celebrating the 120th anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's address at the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago. I am extremely privileged and honored to join in this program. From a young age, I have been deeply inspired by the powerful messages of Swami Vivekananda, which got reinforced in me by my visits and experiences at Belur Mutt, and later cemented by the teachings of Swami Ranganathananda Ji Maharaj. My pranams to the noble soul. Getting on to my duty, I wholeheartedly thank Swami Suvirananda Ji Maharaj, General Secretary of Belur Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission, for delivering a soul-stirring benedictory address, which will open the eyes and ignite the minds of our youth, of a vibrant young India, to imbibe and achieve the ideas and goals set so high by Swami Vivekananda. I express my deep sense of gratitude on behalf of the Mutt to our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Pinarayi Vijayan, who amidst his extremely busy schedule has found time to join us this morning and deliver a thought-provoking and enlightening address, which has brought out the tenets of social reformative thoughts and the need for social awareness in the eye of Swamiji's vision. Our Chief Minister has endeared himself to the people and is loved by all because of his practicing universal acceptance, harmony, and feelings for the downtrodden. These qualities have no doubt contributed to his efficient discharge of the highest level of administrative responsibility of the state. Thank you, sir. I thank Swami Bhuvanatmananda Ji Maharaj, Adhyaksha of Ramakrishna Mutt, Vaitila, for his warm words of welcome to all. Also for so meticulously planning the successful conduct of this program online. Swamiji's efforts no doubt have made this program quite memorable. I profusely thank Swami Nandatmananda Ji of Ramakrishna Mutt, Thrissur, for reading out Swamiji's Chicago address, translated and delivered in chaste Malayalam with perfection and clarity, and also appeal. Swamiji has been a leading light in the Ramakrishna order, frequently delivering discourses on Vedic scriptures and propagating the ideas of Swami Vivekananda. I express my deep gratitude to Sri Mathu S. Nair, Chairman of and Managing Director of Cochin Shipyard Limited, who himself is an ardent devotee and follower of Swami Vivekananda. Sri Nair, in his exquisite style, has read out Swamiji's Chicago address eloquently and brilliantly, that made us all feel the terrific impact of those immortal words of Swamiji, which continue to inspire generations. Sri Mathu Nair has been a visionary leader and a highly successful business professional who has taken his company to great heights of success and achievement. And one could see for certain that his successful journey has been influenced by the ideas and thoughts which have been put into practice, which helped him to reach the path towards excellence and success. Thank you, Sri Nair. I thank Swami Naravarananda Ji of Ramakrishna Mutt, Vaitila, for his total involvement and commitment in planning and conducting the arrangements for the program quite efficiently. Swamiji is now attending this function from Tanjavur, where he is joined by revered Swami Gautamananda Ji Maharaj, to whom also I offer my pranams and grateful thanks for joining us. I thank Sri Mahesh Mohan for so effectively comparing this entire event and making this inaugural function lively and enjoyable. I especially thank the officials of our Chief Minister's Secretariat in Trivandrum who extended their full support and cooperation to us for making this program quite successful with the presence of our Chief Minister amidst us. A word of sweet thanks for the dear little ones of our Balasangha of Vaitila Mutt for presenting and beginning this program with their traditional chanting of Vedic hymns in clear, impressive manner. Our hearty thanks to Mr. Sanjo Simon of Triaxia Infotech for his overall online program presentation, live and quite effectively. A special word of thanks to Mr. Sharif Mohammed, my colleague and Honorary Secretary of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Pattanamthitta Kendra, for his valuable support by sharing his ideas and suggestions in organizing this program very objectively. The national anthem at this close of this function will be sung by the students of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan schools in Kochi. Our special thanks to all of them, dear little ones. All the monastic brothers of Vaitila Mutt who have extended their full cooperation services for making this function a truly worthy success, and our heartfelt thanks to all of them. All the volunteers, devotees and well-wishers of our mutt who have contributed in very many ways for the success of this event, a big thanks to all of them. I especially thank our friends in the visual and print media who have all along extended their full support and cooperation to us, which will help considerably to carry the content and message of this event far and wide. Thank you all. Finally, the true success of this program will be felt and realized by the active participation and engagement of all who are joining us today, including the large number of students and teachers from various educational institutions. Our special thanks to the management, staff and students of all these institutions. Let me once again offer our sincere thanks to one and all for joining us and for contributing directly or indirectly in all possible ways to the success of this memorable event. Thank you. Pranams.